Fog wrapped the city of Boston, and a letter arrived that changed everything. Eleanor Wren was summoned back to Blackthorn Hall. A family divided, secrets buried, a truth hidden for 12 years. Who can she trust? The man she loves, or the one who knows too much? Eleanor, between Michael and Julian, flames beginning to rise. Listen, read, learn English, slowly, clearly, beautifully, through mystery. Slow English. Listening and reading practice. Where shadows still remember, the story begins. Watch the full audiobook now. You can also find link in the description below. Subscribe for more English learning stories.